So think about it for whatever your organization is. What are your valuable or invaluable assets? What do we need to do to protect those? What would happen if those got into the wrong hands?
You mentioned cyber extortion or ransomware. The data is becoming more and more valuable. And the more valuable the data is, the higher the ransom.
Getting the data back isn't as easy as it sounds. The analogy I'll explain is those 1,000-piece puzzles we put on our dining room table. Well, when it's all together, that's your network, right? That's all your data. Well, when the bad guy comes and they take it, and then they do give it back to you, they're giving it back to you, but it's in the box all apart. You still need to take the time to put it all back together, right? That's one of the reasons why cyber insurance is also so important these days. Cyber insurance isn't going to prevent a breach, but what cyber insurance is going to do is help the financial part of this whole thing, because it's not just a matter of, am I going to pay to get my data back through a ransom? Am I going to put it back myself? There's a lot of time that goes into this. Organizations these days, they're usually understaffed from an IT perspective. I've seen organizations with 100 or 200 employees with, 2 or 3 different IT people. That's it. And what happens if you have to restore images on 200 or 300 machines and you have 2 or 3 people? That's a very long time, especially if it's international facilities, if they're all over the United States. So now you have to hire third parties to help assist with this. And it's not cheap. It's very costly.